All right, here's the old part. You can see it was broken. Right. All right, this is where you plug in the little power, the DC, right? Looks like this. You're gonna plug that in to the hole. This is wired to the red, right? And then this is for the negative. So here's a new one. All I'm gonna do is wire, well, like it says, like it's right there. See, the red one's gonna go to this, and then the black one is gonna go to this one right there. Let's see how it works. All right, here's the old one. This is the new one. All right, I'm gonna solder. And take that off. I'm gonna solder the black one right there, and then I'm gonna solder the red one